In an era of lightning-fast technological progress, artificial intelligence is at the forefront, reshaping diverse industries. Investment bank Goldman Sachs predicts a transformative potential. AI, the harbinger of change, poised to take on the equivalent of 300 million full-time jobs. But amidst this whirlwind of automation, there's a fascinating twist. Not all roles yield to the march of the machines. Join us in this captivating video as we delve into the intriguing reality of jobs that remain beyond the grasp of AI, at least for the time being. At number 1, we have directors, managers, and CEOs. In the leadership and decision-making space, AI falls short in its attempt to replace directors, managers, and CEOs. These roles demand an exceptional fusion of strategic acumen, emotional intelligence, and interpersonal finesse deeply rooted in the human experience. Leadership isn't merely about data, it's about inspiring, guiding, and motivating teams toward a common vision. While AI excels at providing data-driven insights, it cannot replicate the nuanced contextual comprehension and comprehensive judgment essential for navigating complex decision-making processes. Embracing human leadership remains the irreplaceable cornerstone of success in today's dynamic world. Next up, system architects. System architects are the unsung heroes, orchestrating the symphony of digital innovation. These masterminds not only design, configure, and maintain computer and networking systems but also hold the key to a seamless technological future. Their profound grasp of IT infrastructure, software applications, and network architecture transforms them into the backbone of progress. While the digital landscape may have witnessed the rise of AI and automation, system architects remain the guardians of stability and progress. Their expertise, refined over years of experience, is irreplaceable. These visionaries not only understand the intricate technical details but also see the bigger picture, the convergence of technology and business. Their insights lead to informed decisions and strategic guidance, ensuring that every step taken is a step forward. In a world driven by technology, system architects are the lighthouses guiding us through the digital storm, and their role is, without a doubt, indispensable. Next up, PR managers. Public relations, PR, managers are the unsung heroes who meticulously craft and safeguard a company's image, reputation, and how the public perceives it. Their skill lies in not just managing relationships but also in the art of expanding networks. The essence of PR is profoundly multifaceted, a symphony of strategies that's as intricate as it is dynamic. This intricate nature is what sets PR managers apart, for they harness the unique power of the human touch. Unlike AI, these experts excel in evoking genuine emotions, driving action, and creating a resounding buzz that resonates with people on a deeply personal level. In the world of PR, where connections are the lifeblood of success, it's the human touch that reigns supreme. Next, we have electricians. Electricians are the backbone of modern electrical infrastructure, playing an indispensable role in its installation, maintenance, and repair. Their expertise is the bedrock of safe and efficient electrical systems. In an era of automation, electricians stand as the guardians of our power supply. Their specialized knowledge and hands-on skills are the linchpin in tackling intricate tasks while ensuring rigorous adherence to safety regulations. These skilled professionals are not just essential. They are the foundation of reliability in our electrified world. 5. AI coaches. Unlocking the full potential of personal and professional growth is where AI coaching truly excels. By seamlessly integrating cutting-edge technology with the unparalleled insight and empathy of human coaches, we create an unbeatable synergy. Our human coaches form authentic, lasting connections with our clients, fostering trust and delivering tailored feedback. It's this unique blend of human emotional intelligence and AI's data-driven precision that propels us far beyond the limitations of standalone artificial intelligence. Next up, we have HR managers. Human resources managers play a pivotal role in sustaining a highly engaged workforce, adeptly handling employee relationships, and evaluating the synergy within your team. While AI has certainly enhanced various HR functions, it can never entirely supplant the innate human qualities of discernment and empathy necessary to unravel the intricacies of human behavior and the delicate dynamics between team members. Embrace the irreplaceable value of HR professionals in nurturing your organization's most valuable asset, its people. 7. Nurses. In the intricate web of our healthcare system, nurses stand as the compassionate guardians of well-being. Their significance is unparalleled, for they not only administer essential care but also bestow a profound sense of compassion and unwavering support to those in need. Beyond their clinical expertise, nurses are bearers of empathy, a vital human touch that AI is incapable of replicating. In the most challenging moments of life, it is the nurse's presence that brings comfort and solace, making their role indispensable in our healthcare landscape. Next, we have marketing managers. In the world of marketing, adept managers are the architects of captivating narratives and the architects of triumphant marketing endeavors. The ever-evolving landscape of marketing hinges on an intimate grasp of consumer psychology and the uncanny ability to forge profound emotional connections with the intended audience. At the helm of it all, marketing managers wield an arsenal of creative ingenuity and a flair for storytelling that are indispensable for crafting high-impact campaigns that not only catch the eye but also touch the heartstrings of their cherished customers. Next are the scientists. In a world increasingly driven by technological advancements, the indispensable role of scientists remains resolute. Their unique blend of specialized expertise, unwavering critical thinking prowess, and unparalleled creative problem-solving acumen stands as a testament to the irreplaceable nature of their work. The area of scientific research is a labyrinth of intricate processes, where the enigma of the unknown is unraveled through meticulous data analysis, and the magic of theoretical frameworks is conjured with the wand of human insight. In this age of automation, the torchbearers of science shine brightly, reminding us that there are realms of knowledge where AI can only tread in their awe-inspiring wake. Next up, therapists and social workers. In the world of therapy and social work, the cornerstone of success lies in the profound human connections, boundless empathy, and profound emotional intelligence that professionals bring to their practice. While AI continues to make strides in simulating human emotions, it remains a far cry from the profound understanding and authentic empathy that these noble professions demand. And finally, it's the captivating life of artists and creatives. Their driving forces are boundless imagination, raw emotion, and groundbreaking innovation. While AI possesses the capability to produce art and music, it frequently falls short in capturing the profound depth of human creativity and the evocative connection that human artists infuse into their masterpieces. Paintings, literature, music, and the myriad facets of artistic expression are intricately interwoven with the rich tapestry of the human experience. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to our channel and click the bell for more informative content on software, technology, and other tech-related topics. Remember, give this video a thumbs up if it was useful for you, and don't forget to share with your friends. Stay safe and see you on the next one.